Hey, what's up guys, Knowledgeable Trader here, and today I'll be talking about one of the most controversial types of news, which is the NFP. For some of you who might know what NFP is, might know what I'm talking about, but for those of you who don't know what NFP is, let me explain it to you in a way which you could understand. Okay, NFP is non-farm payroll. This is a measurement of employment in the United States of America, and it excludes the farming sector, hence the part where it says non-farm payroll. Okay, the NFP is a measurement of employment in the United States of America. It is meant to gauge the strength of the dollar against other currency pairs, and it also gives us a little forecast onto what might happen in the next few coming weeks or months. The NFP could determine the dollar bias for that certain time period or so. And I'm sure you're asking yourself, how is this possible, or how does this work or happen? Okay, because the NFP is a gauge on the dollar strength, a lot of traders and forex chart makers use this or watch this to influence what might happen on the dollar. Let's say for instance the NFP came out negative or worse than expected for the dollar. A lot of traders would tend to sell the dollar because of this. Then this would work in their favor because the NFP news comes out with a lot of volatility usually. And the market makers also love this because this means that they could have liquidity grabs, which they could take a lot of retail traders' money or invest for their hedge funds or people who have large accounts or so. For most traders, this could be good and both bad because there's a lot of money that goes into the markets at these times, and the spreads are high, the volatility is high, and the chance of you blowing your account is also high. But if you manage your trades well and you plan out what you're gonna do when it comes to this trade, you might not blow anything, you might actually make a lot of money. But if you're smart, I'd rather say stay out of this. Do not trade during this time because the chances of you blowing are very high. When the NFP comes out, a lot of traders know that there's a lot of movement in the markets. The candles that are going to come out there are very huge, and these could be good and both bad. But because of these candles, you won't be thinking okay anymore. The psychology won't be as great as it would usually, because now you'd be greedy and you'd be thinking about money and the things that you do, and that's not how you trade. You know that when you trade, you should not have anything clouding your mind or anything you're thinking of. Otherwise, if you do that, you won't be able to think straight. But more about that in another video. Okay, let's get back into what we were talking about. Okay, if you guys want to learn about how to make better trades with NFP, you should just trade after the NFP news has come out. You see, that will make it better because now you'll be able to gauge what has happened and what might happen, instead of trying to guess or make estimations or biases onto what might happen and lose your money instead. Let me tell you something, do not follow the retail crowd. The retail crowd is all the usual traders, mostly beginners or amateurs, because your chart makers are your brokers, so they know what all or most retail traders will do. So if you want things to work in your favor, do not follow the retail crowd. And if you found this information valuable or good in your forex trading, please do go into the comment section and tell me what you liked about this, what you might want to learn, and how you feel about this video. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.